Dear student, today we will discuss about part history, first chapter introduction to history. First we will learn about what is history. History is a systematic presentation of the past events is called as history. Systematic presentation of past events is called as history. It introduces the journey of human beings. It tells failures and success while explaining the historical incident. The accuracy of time, place and person is very important. That means when, where and why. These three are very important while we studying history. When the incident took place, where and why. These three are very important while we studying history. So next what are the other importance of studying history? The importance of studying history, it helps us to understand our past and we can also understand our present. While studying history, it helps us to studying about past events and we can compare past events and present events. Studying history also increases cross-cultural awareness and understanding. It also improves cultural awareness among the people in the world. These are the importance of history. It also improves the memory. We need memory for our progress. Human beings always need a memory for their individual development. And memory serves as a human to serve as a human survival. History serves as the progress of the society. Memory serves human to survive. Memory serves human to survive, but history serves as the progress of society. These are the importance of studying history. Next, Herodotus. Herodotus is called as father of history. He belonged to Greece country. Why Herodotus is called as a father of history? He was first person who introduced, who showed the world how to construct this immensely valuable history. How to construct this immensely valuable history. Therefore, Herodotus is called as father of history. Dear students, next we will learn about sources. Sources are very important while studying history. Sources are very important. There are two types of sources. One is literary sources, another one is archaeological sources. Literary sources means written documents. Under these literary sources, there are two types are there. One is written literature, another one is oral literature. Written means written literature are written by literates. Educated people are writing written literature. Oral means orally they can tell the folk songs, stories. By uneducated people, they can tell the folk history, legends, myths, ballads. That can orally they can present their folk songs and ballads are called oral literature. These are the two types of literary sources. One is written literature, another one is oral literature. Second one is archaeological sources. What is meant by archaeological sources? The physical remains the remains that have been buried in the earth are removed through excavation. The physical remains, the remains that have been buried in the earth are removed through excavation are called archaeological sources. For example, for archaeological sources, coins, monuments, and inscription, piece of pots. These are the examples for archaeological sources. Dear students, you know that coins, what are coins, and monuments are old buildings, and inscriptions means written on stone or wall or wood. These are called inscription. And pieces of pots, these are and also artifacts. These are the example for archaeological sources. So sources are very important to study history.